Are you looking to create engaging forms, surveys, and quizzes that blend seamlessly with your Wix site? The Typeform Embed app by Market Push Apps makes it easy to integrate interactive typeforms directly onto your pages so you can collect leads, feedback, and insights without breaking the flow of your website. The app is available on the Wix App Market. You can find the install link in the video description below. Installing the app to your Wix site is easy. Go to the App Market and search for Typeform Embed. Click on Add to Site. Once installed, add the widget via the Add Elements menu by dragging it to your desired location. To make the widget responsive on your desktop and mobile site, you'll need to stretch it to cover the full page. Next, we will need to click on the Typeform widget settings. If you already have a link to your form, simply paste it here and click Connect, and the widget will load it instantly. If you do not have the link to your form or have not created one yet, simply click here to be redirected to the Typeform site. You will need to either log in or sign up to access the dashboard where you can find your already created forms or create a new one that meets your business needs. To simply get the link for an existing form, click here, then click on Copy Link. Creating a new form is quick and easy. Simply go to Create a New Form, and you will get 3 different options to choose from. Let us try Create with AI and make a simple feedback form for our customers with the help of the AI. We have now created a simple form with 4 questions. We can check the questions and edit each of them, or even add more if needed. We can also change the design. Let us change it here to a dark background. Once you've finished editing the form, simply publish it, and you can now copy the form link to be used in the widget. With just a few clicks, we have easily created a feedback form and added it to our site. Do not forget to save and publish after the form is loaded. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, or leave a comment. It helps immensely. And feel free to reach out if you need further assistance. Thank you for watching.